What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very small, but this tiny device can make a big difference in your videos. This is the DJI Mic Mini 2. And before we start, everything you are hearing in this entire vlog, from the intro, unboxing, indoor test, and outdoor test, is recorded using the DJI Mic Mini 2. No camera, microphone, no separate recorder. So while you're watching this video, you're already listening to the real-world audio performance of the tiny wireless microphone. Today, I will unbox it, test it with my Canon R50 V, pair it with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and find out if this is perfect small microphone for creators. The reason why I'm excited about this microphone is the size. As a creator, I don't always want a big setup. Sometimes I use my Canon R50 V for high quality videos. Sometimes I just grab my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for quick travel and everyday vlogs. And having one tiny microphone that can work with my creator setup is very important. Inside the box, we have everything we need: the charging case, transmitter, receiver, cables, and accessories. First impression, DJI made this extremely compact. This is the type of the gear you can leave inside your bag every single day. Now we're using the Canon R50 V with the DJI Mic Mini 2. So again, remember the audio you are hearing right now is still coming from the DJI Mic Mini 2. The Canon R50 V gives us beautiful video quality, but bringing it with a clean wireless audio makes complete the vlogging setup. Again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2 to the Canon R50 V, and we are here outdoor, so we're hearing some noise, and let's see the noise cancellation of the DJI Mic Mini 2. So guys, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2 in the Canon R50 V. We are here outside the mall, and you can see we have too much cars passing by, and again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2. And again, we will try to use or pair to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, because I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We will try to connect the DJI Mic Mini 2, and let's see the quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2 to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So guys, this is the DJI Mic Mini 2 to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah, this is again the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2. And yeah, let's try to use and test in the outside, so outside the mall. So here inside the mall, and yeah, and again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini 2. So let's go outside. So guys, we are here outside the mall and the highway. Yeah, there's passing cars. And again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, ayan. Yeah. So, this is the mic itself. And, yeah, the nice color. Ayan. So, again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo Pocket 3. So, and guys, again, I will not do any adjustment. What you hear is direct from the DJI Mic Mini microphone. After using the DJI Mic Mini 2 for this entire vlog, I think this proves one thing. Small gear doesn't mean small performance. The best creator setup is the one you can bring anywhere. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload yung photography and filmmaking content every week.